Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you really cool work light which I have bought on AliExpress from China for only $2. Basically the cheapest flashlight ever. And at the same time I believe, at least in my opinion, this is the best flashlight under $10. And you will see why I'm telling you this now. Just take a look, complete video to the end, because I'm going to show you also how strong this LED soap is actually, because from some information it should have 1000 lumens, and we will see is this true or not. So basically I have reviewed some other cheap flashlights from China and they all have plastic case. In this case it is also it is completely made from hard rubber, and basically it is really good. It has good feeling, but the build quality for this price range is actually amazing. They provided good quality, and as you can see all small details are made okay. The first thing I want to say is this magnetic stand, which is a really cool feature, but unfortunately for some reason on some metals it is not working. And what I have seen from other reviews, actually it is true. For some reason they didn't make a good quality magnetic stand, and I will show you. This is made from metal, but as you can see, not working. But if you use, for example, screws, it is working. So basically this lamp can be very useful for taking screws or something similar, but on some metals surface it will work. Besides that, the design is good because you can point in any direction and the lamp will stand normally for your working area. It is charging like any other smartphone. It has here micro USB port, and above that is small LED flashlight, which is indicator when the flashlight is charged and when the charging process is on. When the charging process is on, the LED light will be red, and when the charging process is done, it will show you blue light. It is not too big or too small. Okay. Also you can rotate the LED soap in any direction, as you can see. So you can hang it with this metal part also. For me, very useful. Okay. And as many other flashlights, it has several modes which are operated with this one button. In my personal experience, I don't like flashlights with many modes because you have to press the same button several times to turn it off. But as you can see, this is the strongest light, really strong. Don't forget to watch the video to the end because I'm going to show you also in the completely dark. Really strong light. Then we have medium strong, and the last mode is this small front LED light. And if you press one more time, you will turn off the flashlight. As I said earlier, it is not too big and you can wear it everywhere. It doesn't need to be only work light. Average person can use it because it provides strong light, and at the same time it can be in your pocket, because if you compare it with your smartphone, it is even smaller than smartphone. Of course, as I said, I am going to show you in the next few minutes how strong actually it is. But as some conclusion, because I have already saw the flashlight how is working in the completely dark, I can say that this is just in my opinion best flashlight under $10 because it has built-in battery. You can charge it like any smartphone. The build quality is actually good. It is not, it has no cheap feeling. It should have 1000 lumens. We will see is this true. This rubber is really good and strong. It has several modes: strong, medium and small LED light. You have magnetic stand, but sometimes is working, sometimes not. And you can put anywhere where you need to work, or you just need LED light for your room or something else. Basically, stay tuned as in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how strong is this work light. Okay, this is the work light. Let's see how strong it is in completely dark room. So basically this is the highest, strongest mode. Okay, medium and the small one. The small one is basically very weak. And so this is the completely dark, and again strongest mode. Basically it has huge area, everything you can see, dark, strong, really good for $2. Do you agree?